What's up, YouTube? We in traffic right now. Really, we shouldn't even be heading this way, but anyways, they had some little car meet from 10 to 2 and it's actually 2:12. I don't know. Maybe we'll catch the tail end of it or whatnot. Not sure.
In 600 feet, keep left to stay on I-45 North.
Don't even know where it's at, hence the GPS. But if we get there, see some rides, we'll click y'all back on.
This money from propane, bitch. I feel like Pablo Escobar, but I don't sell cocaine, bitch. Payments. Fuck with me, I'll keep a rocket launcher in my basement.
Ow, that hurt my ear.
Your destination is on the right.
I don't like that one. That was so too hard. Look, babe, that big motherfucker right there? Yeah. All right, see that. What's up, Los? Red and Black Collection, man. Y'all go check him out.
What's up, Los in the drop?
He got that Impala out here.
H-time, baby.
What's up, baby? Man, look at this Chevelle out here. Can I drive that here? That is clean. Damn, they got all them holes in there. Big caddy, big spokes and Vogues on there. Oh. Ooh, the big 30s or 32s or something. Look at who these fools over here.
Back with more hood classics, baby. Gas got style.
It's alright. I want to go walk in there, baby. Let's walk in. Let's park and walk in there. As always, we made it late than the motherfucker out here. They already closing down, but hey, they still got some rides out here. I can imagine what was out here. Woo! Babe, you wanna go check out the inside of the building? Look at this short bay right here though, real quick. Woo!
I like this truck.
Babe, this, I can't remember my white one. I can't believe I sold it. Man, that hoe's nice. Real nice. We gotta get the box Chevy. Hey, they all need love. That's a hood classic right there. I mobbed the shit out this motherfucker. Just like that. Probably put some white walls. They all get love. I don't know about Beamers, but I like those coupes. Those are tight. Grand National right here, boy. With a roof in it. I like this one too, babe. Grand National. Hey, you know what's crazy, babe? On the ads, they use Darth Vader for this car. Like for real, back in the 80s, they had ads with Darth Vader with the Grand National. Big body Cadillacs. That's a Chevelle.
But like on the metal pieces?
Oh, that's the hood pins. Like they take it so that holds down the hood because of past cars, it'll tend to blow up. Like the wind, if it goes too fast, it'll blow it up. So they put the hood pins. They hold the hood down. They don't have the typical latch like the old, like the original, because they tend to fail. That's DJ Mr. Rogers. That whole claim. See, I don't even like BMW. I mean, not that I don't like them, I don't know them, but that looks tight. Like, I would ride that.
Yeah.
But it's like a special thing, that them coupes. The Mustang. Nah, I don't like the Mustang. See, I like these shots better anyways, babe. The rolling ones.
That's what I'm saying. At least you're gonna catch everybody leaving.
Ooh, look at this T-Bird, babe. Big cake, white walls. That's a hard top convertible, babe. Take that off.
Yeah.
That detaches on its own. You got the seat. Okay, remember you asking? That is a real fifth wheel. Look, babe, look. So they really do got a spare in there.
Yeah. Well,
But
I
see,
thought they were all like
yeah,
that. I
but
didn't
see,
know they had-
this mimics. Well, the newer ones mimic
Yeah.
that, but this is the real deal. They really do got a spare on them. Look, this is Slim Thug's Cadillac. What do you think about the red Vogues, babe?
Oh, they look good. They
You
look
like
good
it?
on
Well, it
that.
depends on on this
On
because
this one, it looks
yeah,
good.
exactly. But just in general, or you just like the mustard?
No. I like the peppermint.
Let's go in. Ooh, ooh, come on, babe, that
Oh,
Cadillac.
I love that. These two right here.
That one came out on that show, Extensive. They built it for him. That one on the TV
Yeah,
show.
like the what are they called? The big wings on the back.
Yeah, this is like a 56. Now this is nice. Ooh. That's badass, huh, babe?
Yeah.
This one's totally custom, but that's like OG. See, Hog Life is his
So
brand,
this
babe.
is all his.
Yeah, the rapper, that one is. Well, I know for sure. That one's Slim Thug. That
So
one.
this is just
That
his
one. That one.
collection.
That. Ooh, look at that lip in the back, babe. Look at that rim. Ooh. I like Chevelles too, but those are like ridiculous, the price. The Chevy Boys of Houston?
Yes.
That's the car club. They got a car club. That one dude that said what's up to Lowe's? Him?
Uh-huh.
He's in that car club too, I believe. That Chevy Boys.
Oh, okay. They're all easy.
Hey, we came late and it looked like a good turnout. I bet all types of people left and stuff. But what you think, babe?
Nah, look, we probably should have came a lot earlier.
Hey, it is what it is. I like rolling shots
Yeah, you
anyways.
get to catch it moving.
As horse or dog, whatever it is, that's a big ass dog, no?
I like this color.
The brown. I still like these better though.
Yeah.
Well, see, this is kind of a different year, but the kind of the same body style. You see that got some stacked
So
headlights?
what years are they?
I don't know exactly
Oh.
Cadillac. I believe that's like a 67, 68, and either that one's a little older or a little newer. They're like late 60s. I don't know exactly though. But you want which ones you prefer? The ones with the headlights side by side or on top of each other? You see it? You see the difference?
Yeah.
Man, that's a big ass truck though. Look at it, babe. That was humongous.
I just like they look like rocket ships.
Yeah, with the
Right.
wings.
Yeah.
And they did a thing called black chrome on that. You see that? It's not just blacked out. It was on that TV show, I'm telling you. They built it. That was tight though. All black.
Yeah.
That's hard to keep clean though, a black car.
Oh yeah.
I'd rather paint yours like a purple, honestly, than black. Maybe like purple with black accents.
Like a deep purple.
But see, I like him because he talks about cars in his songs, and he actually has them.
Yeah.
A lot of rappers don't even be having no cars at all. And this fool got too many cars. Fuck it, look like the Batmobile. Look at it.
Yes, I know.
But check this one out, man. That right there, I wouldn't even do nothing to it. Just that's it. Ride that hoe like that. I see you looking clean out here, Les. What's up, baby?
Shit. When you pull it up?
Barely, dog. Late as fuck. You already know. Look, this is my dad, like my dad's, baby.
Oh yeah.
You haven't rode in it, huh?
No,
You need to ride in it. It's crazy feeling.
but also
Feels
you
like a
can't
rocket ship. See, and he has all his black, but they all got the different styles. You know, he got his
Yeah.
slab, the original, the big wheels.
Yeah, but this is, I mean, when we get to that point, this would be what you would
I
be
just,
able to have your own.
but I like too many colors. I wouldn't want the same color. You know what I'm saying?
No, but
It'd just be all.
to be able to have the different ones.
Yeah. And it was funny because he bought another slab, and you know how some of the wheels poke out crazy?
Yeah.
He's like, I don't like them big old ones, and he went down. Because I was like, the cooler, you know, supposedly the longer. I don't like it long, but.
So this one is real. It's not
What?
real.
Nah, that's like mine. That ain't got no tire on it. That's a fake fifth wheel. But there's a few cars out here that do got the real fifth wheel.
Oh, he didn't come all the way in.
The Impala, right?
Yeah.
Damn. We didn't catch him. All right, honest opinion on the wrinkly fifth wheel, dog.
I'll put it like this. It's a lot better than the first.
Oh, the first one was horrible.
Nah.
But this is all right for a little street car. It don't look that bad. It ain't perfect, but it ain't that bad, right?
Now it's time to do the goods.
Nah, it's the paint first before the goods. And the switches, hopefully. Hey, everybody telling me to hit the switch, and my girl's like, hey, he's telling you to stop. He's like, nah, they want me to hit the switch. I'll be like, it don't work. I need to go, man, we need to go by Kevin's, actually. Just go by there. Boss smoking the stogie, looking clean. That hoe's tight. Big old meats on the back, boy. Ooh, check out this Chevelle. Babe, come here. Look, he got the, you know, most of these came with the race stripes, but look how he has them kind of like ghosted in. You see that?
I didn't even see him. From
Man, man, this is nice. I like this. It's got to be brandy wine, probably. Candy brandy wine, I would think. What you think, babe?
color, it looks good.
I like that. Reminds me of the Buick, remember?
Yeah.
Big Fogies on it. Big Foe over here. Check out the plates. You see the plates?
Yeah.
That's clean. Cream with the brown guts. Ooh. I like the color combo for sure.
The air freshener.
Oh yeah. I like this little Honda, baby, this hatchback. Oh, he got the Ricks in it. Look, baby, got the steering wheel on the other side. This must be an import or something. He got the Ricks in it. Oh, those are like racing seats, baby. Recaros. That bitch sound. Woo. All right, y'all. Shit, we ended up catching some good footage, huh? Slim Thug's little fleet out there, a couple other cars. Hey, we came late. It still was pretty decent. I don't know where I'm at. This is the area of Houston I've never been at, so I'm gonna click on the GPS. We're gonna head on to go get something to eat. But appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all on the next one.